Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Asta here from Ace Update Magazine. Today we have Siddharth sir, who is MD of Cosmos company. We will interact with him today. Hello, sir. It's great interacting with you.
Thank you.
So, as we know, Cosmos have different products. So, what new formwork materials is your company using to improve durability and for performance?
The Indian construction industry is facing different challenges with respect to the speed and with respect to quality. Now, when we say speed, it requires a lot of safety factors to be taken care. So we've got something called as balcony cage system, hydraulic climbing system. We've got different kind of formworks where we can ensure that your speed is achieved in a different manner. To do that, we've already displayed balcony cage system also. We also have gang form. We also have hydraulic climbing system, which has already been installed in most of the places in Bombay, where your height of the building goes beyond 75 floors. So you have to ensure that the building is enclosed from all the sides. While doing so, with respect to the new calls and the new designs of the or the challenges that the industry is facing, we are also ensuring that hydraulic climbing system is there to ensure that you get the speed of the formwork, and which is very new in the market.
So, sir, how does your company formwork system handle complex projects like bridges and high-rise buildings?
See, ideally, we are moreover into commercial and residential buildings. So for us, high-rise is not a challenge. In fact, it is the boon for us to work on. I mean, if you come to us and tell us that we are going to construct about 4 or 5 floors, we are happy to give you formwork, but it doesn't give us any challenge. So हमारे लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम आपको जितना रिपीटेबिलिटी दे सके is going to give us the USP of our product. So high rise is not complex, it is actually a boom for us. So I don't know how do you look at it, but we look at it as an advantage for the work.
Great, sir. So, how do your formwork solution help to reduce cost throughout the construction process?
See, ideally, when you use aluminum formwork that we manufacture, we ensure that we look it from the contractor's point of view. तो हमारे लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि उसको जितना ईज ऑफ ऑपरेशन मिलेगा उतना ज़्यादा वो स्पीड देगा, और जब वो ज़्यादा स्पीड देगा आइडली वो इनडायरेक्टली ये भी बता रहा है कि यू कैन यूज इट फॉर मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स. नाउ इफ यू बाय एन एक्स प्रोजेक्ट मटेरियल एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू अचीव 7 और 8 डे साइकिल, तो आपका वो मटेरियल फ्री जो होने का टाइम है, जो अगर आप 20 माले का बिल्डिंग कर रहे हैं और 7 दिन का साइकिल लिया तो 140 दिन होगा. सो 150 से 125 दिन में आपका मटेरियल फ्री हो जाता है. तो eventually you are also planning for the next building for that material, and that's why we have a company called Reformer in our own division, जिसका काम ही ये है कि existing available material को जितना ज़्यादा reuse कर सके वो करके देना.
So, how does your formwork leverages digital tools like BIM for better planning and execution?
It's very simple. अगर आपने homework किया है and if you've done aluminum formwork, तो aluminum formwork cannot be done without doing the amount of design that is required on pre-hand. So ideally you are bringing everybody on one piece of paper where we call it a shell plan. और shell plan अगर ठीक से हुआ है उसका मतलब है आपने हर एक चीज को factor in किया है to do the formwork. तो ideally you've got all the information that is required. Now BIM is nothing else but information management. तो अगर आपके पास वो सब आ गया है, so then managing information is not a challenge. Then if you have the information, then it must be a little easier for you to do it.
So, sir, what sustainable practices does your company follow in formwork material sourcing and disposal?
Disposal is the best thing that we are doing. I mean, we help our customers to reuse it again and again. तो disposal का जितना कम सवाल आएगा उतना अच्छा है हमारे लिए, और वही is the business model for us. And with respect to aluminum, it is already environmentally better than using wood. So it's the in thing that you should think of.
So, as we know, Cosmos have different products like reversible drum mixtures. So, can you tell us something about your new products?
So ideally, we are about 45 years old company. We started as a fabricator of door frames and window frame. From there, we elevated of manufacturing construction equipments. Then we did scaffolding. Now we are doing aluminum. So construction equipment में सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है कि it gives us the in engineering we call it as food for your thoughts. वो engineering करने के टाइम पे construction machineries helps us to define the solve the challenges that our customers are facing. तो अगर हमको पता चला है कि आपके लिए क्या challenge है, so designing a machine with respect to that gives you a lot of the adrenal rush. So whether it is concrete mixer or whether it is bar cutting and bending machine, we enjoy doing both of them.
So, sir, what's your views on this STEC event?
Oh, they've done a good job. They manage it right. We are happy that they increased the amount of sizes of the stall and over here. and we've been doing it for a long time. So hope to be associated for a longer period. Thank you.
So that's it from my side. Do you want to address something to our viewers, and do you want to add something more about your projects or your products?
We are doing the tallest buildings of India. We've been doing. The only challenge that we face with our respect to our customers is that we request them to understand what they are buying and be responsible buyers. Because a good company, if they buy good quality material, we get the orders again and again. And if they buy wrong material, people follow them and they keep on buying wrong material. So our only request to our customers is that please try to be as honest as possible with respect to your purchasing of the equipment. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you.